This video is going to show you how to access your online classes at Tav College for the fall 2020 semester. So, it's important to note that some instructors are going to be using different software to host their class. So some instructors are going to be using Google Meet, and some other instructors are going to be using Zoom or a website or some other version of a virtual classroom. So step one to accessing your online class is going to be to either look at the announcements page on Leia or look at some messages from your instructor. So it could be a Myo message or it could be an email. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to access your online class in a variety of ways, just to ensure that you are informed and ready to access the class. So the first way we're going to access the class is we're going to access the Leia online class directly through Omnivox. So to do that, you're going to go to the Tav College website. You're going to access Omnivox, and you're going to log into your student account. So once you've logged into your Omnivox, you're going to go over to Leia on the left here. And you're going to see all of your classes. Now, it's important to note that some classes may say that it's online on Omnivox, but that doesn't necessarily mean that the instructor is going to be using this feature of Omnivox. So again, I'd like to reiterate that you should always be checking announcements here at the bottom, or keep track of the emails or Myos that your teachers are sending you to access their class. So if your class is offered online, and the teacher is using the online class feature of Leia, you're going to be able to access it here. So you click on online, and then it'll bring you to this page. And to access and go into the class, you can click on this button here. It also tells you when the class started if you're running a bit late. It gives you a little bit of information about what type of classes could be offered at a CEGEP, and just some general information about the sections. So you're going to enter the classroom through clicking this button. And assuming you have a Zoom account already made, you will automatically be entered into Zoom. If you do not have a Zoom account created yet, we strongly recommend that you create one before the semester starts, just to facilitate the process of joining classes. So you click with join with video, and then you can also click join with computer audio. And just like that, you're now in the class. So now let's look at an example of if your course instructor sent you a link to the online class using email or Myo. So we're just going to look at email today. So this is a sample email as if the instructor of the course had sent me the link. So it's a welcome message. It tells you, it'll depend on the instructor, of course, but it will more than likely tell you when the course will happen, and it will provide, the teacher will provide you with a link here. So it's handy to just keep this in some sort of a organized document. You could use Google Docs and create a table and perhaps put each of your classes, and then beside the class put a link to each class, and maybe the time would be helpful as well. So you're going to then click on the link, and it will bring you directly to a Google Meet session. So again, I'd like to reiterate that not all teachers will be using the online class feature of Omnivox. So it's very important that you check the announcements, you check your emails, and you check your Myo, and you keep all of the information in one organized document. So that's what I'll be showing you in the next video.